Good morning. It's day 2 of our Taiwan trip. Sana na didinig nyo ako. And for today's itinerary, we are going to Taichung and explore ang Sun Moon Lake. So right now, it's anong oras na ba? 6:20. It's 6:20 a.m. Napakaaga po. We're heading to the Taipei main station and yun, we're gonna catch an HSR going to Taichung. Alright guys, yun na lang muna. See you.
And we are back. Yes. Dito na tayo sa HSR station, sa platform, southbound platform. Punta tayo na Taichung for Sun Moon Lake. Ito yung ticket natin. So, na-book kami, bili kami ng ticket sa Klook and then nag-reserve kami online. Ngayon, hindi ako makakuha ng window seat online. So, nag-give up na lang ako. Pero, nung kinuha na namin yung physical ticket doon sa ticket booth, I asked kung pwedeng makakuha ng window seat, and we have a window seat and an aisle seat. So, see pa kayo. Well, actually, it doesn't say kung kung kaninong ticket to, no? Wala pa lang pangalan. So, basta may hawakan ito. So, pag nalaglag to, tapos may nakapulo, pwede silang pumasok. Ibig sabihin niya, alis na yung train. Yung 6:50 balik.
Ayan, nakakaingit lang yung HSR nila.
Sana all yun. Tayo lang namin mag-board yung train namin, which arrives or leaves by 7:11. And then, balikan ko. See ya.
Welcome to the Taichung High-Speed Rail Station. Ganda no, parang airport. Oh, sana all. My HSR. Here. Ito yung mga buses going to Sun Moon Lake.
车还会到象山吗？不会啊。
Welcome to Sun Moon Lake. Ito yung bababaan ninyo kapag nag Sun Moon Lake kayo galing HSR. Welcome to the Sun Moon Lake. Oh, mababa yung tubig niya ngayon. We got our ticket for the boat ride, and you can book this via Klook. Use this guy called Marvin Samako Klook. Hello Marvin. Ito, grabe yung ano, sobrang baba ng water level ngayon. Usually, itong mga platforms na yan, nakapantay yan dito. Ganun kababa. Nakakapanibago, iba yung itsura ng Sun Moon Lake ngayon na mababaw yung tubig. Yang ke?
2颗，30，谢谢。
Lasa. Wala namang pinagkaiba. Off to our next stop, Shuangguang. No, actually we're going to Itashao. So you just use the same ticket from one part to another, and yeah. Sure ka pa? 1, 2, 3. Isa pa. 1, 2. Umaaraw, umuulan. Bye, Sun Moon Lake. Well, actually, I'm not sure if we're already going back to the city, so
나도 오빠 가서 줄 쓴다. 사람들이 줄을 막 쓰기 시작.
to get to Rainbow Village from the THSR or the Taichung High Speed Railway Station, ang nakita ko lang bus na available was bus number 70. Then baba kayo sa Nanto. Okay, I'll just put here yung name ng bus stop, and then lakad kayo papunta dito sa temple or building na to, tapos pasok kayo papunta dun. Guys, welcome to Rainbow Village. Here we go. That's it guys for the Rainbow Village. Akala ko malaki siya, pero it's just like a couple of houses. Ayun, that's painted. And bakit kaya pinapatungan or tinatakpan nila yung mga original paintings ni Grandpa Rainbow? So yeah, I'm just wondering. So we are walking to the bus stop for bus number 30. Punta kami ng Tingshan sa may Second Market. Almost there. Siguro mga 400 meters from the bus stop ng hospital, Veterans Hospital or medicine. Yeah, I'll put the name of the bus stop below. So from there, mga 400 meters siguro yon. And we're almost there. This is called Tingshan Restaurant. So they specialize on Taiwanese meatballs. Kaya tara na. Hala. Apparently sarado siya. Siguro dahil sa holiday. Naglilinis na siya. Guys, may nakita ako na bago. Mochuan o Mauchuan meatballs. Taiwanese meatballs din siya, pero hindi ko alam kung ano lasa nito. Dito sa Taichung Second Market pa rin siya. Tika, let's check it out. Okay guys, ito nga yun. Ito pala. Wonton soup, wonton noodle soup. Ito lang. Yun na lang. Patuni. Sorry? Uwang. Ah. This is our order. Shrimp, fish ball, soup, Taiwanese meatball, boiled vegetables, tsaka wonton noodle soup. I think Taiwanese meatball. Mas masarap kasing sarap kaya siya doon sa Dingshan. Hindi natin alam. Hindi ganito itsura nung sa Dingshan. Ay, parang iba. Okay. Unfortunately, Google Maps has failed us. So, we are booking an Uber. Yes. Dalawang bus stop yung sinunod namin, pero walang dumating na bus na sinasabi sa Google Maps. So, booking an Uber. Sakay. And we're back here at the Taichung HSR station. The airport feels. So walang walang Mr. Donut or any donut for that matter. So bottled coffee and tiramisu na lang. Tipid-tipid din tayo. Ay. Punta na tayo sa platform area.